Welcome to Session 40, the Midterm Debrief. Your exam is not an endpoint, it's a diagnostic. Every wrong answer points to one specific gap, and today, we turn those gaps into a focused plan for the final push before test day. You will sort every error into one of four types, rank your weak topics by impact, and use the redo protocol to make the fixes stick. For every missed question, assign exactly one cause. A conceptual error means you didn't understand the idea, so reread that lesson and redo its examples. A procedural error means you understood but slipped in the arithmetic or algebra, so slow down and write every step. A reading error means you answered the wrong question, so underline what's actually asked. And a pacing error means you ran out of time, so practice timed sets. Most students have one dominant type. Find yours and attack it directly. Next, score your midterm by domain: algebra, advanced math, data, and geometry. Then rank where to spend your time. If you missed half or more of a domain, that's urgent. Revisit the core concepts this week. 25 to 50% is high priority. Do targeted practice. Under 25% is just maintenance, a quick skim. Spend your time where the misses are. Here's the most important habit: the redo protocol. Reading an explanation is passive. Real learning comes from active recall, retrieving the solution yourself. So, cover the explanation, resolve from scratch, writing every step, then compare. If you're wrong again, read it, then redo a third time. Finally, do 2 or 3 similar questions right away to cement it. For example, if you missed cosine x equals sine 48, redo it cold using the complementary identity, and you'll land on x equals 42. If pacing is your issue, give yourself a budget. The average is about 1 minute 35 seconds per question, but spend it unevenly. Move fast on the easy early questions, 60 to 75 seconds. Give the middle ones about 90 seconds. Allow the hardest up to 2.5 minutes. Then flag and move on. And always keep the last 3 minutes to review flags and fill every blank. Finally, turn all of this into a concrete plan. Name your top 3 weak topics, set a daily question count for each, and fix a pacing goal, like finishing all 22 in 33 minutes with time to review. For instance, exponential equations, inscribed angles, and geometric probability. 4 questions each per day, 12 total. Specific and measurable beats a vague plan to study more. Your turn, and do it cold, no peeking. A common midterm miss: cosine of x degrees equals sine of 48. Find x. Pause and redo it from scratch. Use the complementary identity. Cosine of x equals sine of 90 minus x, so 90 minus x must equal 48. Solving gives x equals 42. Now you'd find 2 more complementary angle questions, and do them immediately. That's the protocol. Let's recap Session 40. Label every missed question as conceptual, procedural, reading, or pacing. Prioritize your domains by miss rate. Use the redo protocol, resolving each miss from scratch, and then doing similar problems. Budget your time and flag hard questions, and write a specific, measurable plan. Do this honestly, and your second half of the course will be far more effective.